guys, welcome to back my channel. Today I am going to talk with you about English grammar. Really, English grammar is most important for speaking English. We also saw when we are speaking our mother tongue, and even when we learn our mother tongue, we don't learn vocabulary, we don't learn any kind of grammar, even we don't know grammar structure of my mother tongue. But we are speaking fluently and we are expressing our thought very easily. But when we are learning second language, particularly English language, so my question is that is grammar is most important or without grammar I can learn? My answer is yes and no, both. Because English is not our mother tongue, it is a second language. Even every time we are speaking our mother tongue, we are not speaking our English language. We are listening, no, mother tongue. But when we are trying to speak, so that time we need to think. So where is the problem? Means if we had an environment, if we have an environment there every time we are listening English and we are replying English and we are talking in English language. So there English grammar will be not much more important because many more illiterate people they also go Arab countries and also United Kingdom, and after going there after a few time they also can able to speak Arabic language because Arabic language is so hard than English language, but people can speak because they are listening again and again. When we listen something again and again, our memory also catch very easily. We don't need to mug up or memorize. Without mug up or memorizing, our brain capture everything very easily, and we are able to directly reply. We don't need to think, we don't need to format a sentence. But when we not have that type of environment, just I am alone in my family, okay, I am trying to speak English language. Every time I am listening, mother tongue outside, inside of home, and I don't have any kind of 0% environment of English. So in this situation, how it possible for me to speak? Can I speak English language without grammar? No, dear. When you don't have a grammar, so it is not will be so easy for you where you not have an environment of English. Yes, first you have to learn English grammar, means basic grammar. You don't need to learn entire grammar. And if you want to count the grammar rule and structure, so maybe 100 and more than 100. If you learn only about grammar, tense, about model, and about conditional sentences, so that is enough for you. You don't need to be a master or expert in English grammar. Basic grammar is sufficient for you. Basic English grammar is enough for you. You don't need to worry. And when you have a mindset, when you have a intention to learn this language, that's mean you want to use this language entire life. You want to speak this language very well. You want to become a confident speaker. So that's mean you should to also learn grammar language also, because without grammar your life will be so difficult. You will not have a confidence. When will have a grammar rule, and according to rule when you will speak, that time your confidence level will be high. and that time very easily you will be able to convey your thoughts in a words. So English grammar is also necessary because we are not as like a journey means I go through the train and 3 days it is enough. After that I don't need to go near train. No, when we have our intention this learning of this language very well, so why should I not also learn grammar, structure also? Because structure of grammar, it is not so tough, it is so easy. And when you will use it, it will synchronize on your tongue, it will set in your brain, so that time you don't need to remind or memorize again and again. One time is enough, you will have an idea. Because I am speaking, but every single day I am not learning grammar rule and regulation. So English grammar is also necessary for us where we are not a English speaker, when English language is not our mother tongue. So in this case English grammar is also necessary, but I am telling about means basic grammar, not a much more high and advanced grammar. So, if you think that this video is valuable for you, if you think this video can help you your journey of English language, so you should connect with us. You should subscribe our channel. You should comment our channel. Thank you for watching our videos.